got fresh cut over here. Okay, okay.
I don't give a fuck about those shoes. Look at how ugly they are. Oh, you can't respect a man who walks around wearing Crocs. I'm sorry. Get these motherfuckers out of here. When's the first time you wore a Croc?
Like a year ago.
Damn, all respect gone for a whole year, bro. When are you gonna come back to manhood? Put on some shoes, bro.
I want to find some shoes that feel like Crocs.
Damn, he's getting really hurt right now, I can tell. What up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. I was gonna do it again. My name is Daniel. Today, we got the Rolls Royce, it's called a Spectre. It's too fancy. I don't even know the name. Just kidding. It's the Rolls Royce Spectre. This is the all-electric $500,000 Rolls Royce. What are we gonna do to it? We're gonna blow it apart. So we fully are gonna dismantle this car before we wrap it. We're doing a combination of wrap and PPF. So the exterior will be fully wrapped in gloss black PPF. All the door jambs are gonna get wrapped in gloss black vinyl. PPF is evolving. We're starting to use PPF a lot more. One of the things that we do know is that the PPF is just not there yet for the door jambs, the complex bends, the complex turns. So what we do in this case, when a customer has a $500,000 Rolls Royce and wants to take it from white to gloss black, we're gonna do a combination to make that work. So you'll see the process. Once this car is done, it's gonna look like a gloss black Rolls Royce. It's gonna look beautiful. Some of you guys may ask, why would you wanna do that? When you have money like this, you can do whatever you want. And that's what it comes down to. So customer bought a white one and he wants to do it in gloss black. And that's what we're here to do it. Even my guy in the Crocs, he's gonna do the work. He's gonna do the work. I told him no more Crocs at work.
Bro, you never worn a pair of Crocs.
I won't.
Why not?
Because I don't respect a man who wears Crocs.
At least I don't wear reps, bro.
These ain't reps, dog.
Those pandas, bro.
Get out of here, bro.
Bro, I know they look pretty sketchy, bro.
Hey, this fucking guy is trying to call my shoes reps? Are you kidding me? We've already started the process. We've already removed the doors. We are going to be removing the hood, the bumper, the grille, the trunk. Everything's coming off in order to do the job that we want to do here. So we want to be very, very thorough. We also want to make sure that the car looks like it's gloss black all the way through. So the door jam's already been wrapped here. You can see, it looks beautiful. My man Adrian took care of that. Stay tuned. If you have any questions about a process like this, or you have a comment of why somebody would want to do something like this, comment below. We're here to help. It's an exciting day for us.
Yeah, I was just gonna go over like the rest of the stuff we're doing. We're not just wrapping
let him do it.
As you can see, we went and took all the chrome off of it. You're wondering why? Because the chrome is gonna go gloss black too. So we're a combination of paint and powder coat. So all the window trims, the handles, the emblems, the grille, and the emblems in the back, it's all gonna be gloss black. But yeah, so it's pretty much just gonna be a black, huge, shiny, big black
Rolls Royce?
Yeah.
What's going on, guys? My name's Adrian, back here at Premium. As Daniel mentioned, we're doing the door jamb wrap on this Rolls Royce here, the brand new one, the electric one. So we have the whole car blown apart, door-wise as well. Took off all these rubber trims. We'll be covering everything that's white right along all these edges and crevices in this gloss black film that I have currently on the floor. So all this was painted white beforehand, just like this side. There's a big cover for this piece, so that piece is gonna be wrapped individually. But we're gonna basically be getting full coverage on this entire jamb, full exterior in the gloss black PPF. So we're gonna be basically transforming the whole car from gloss white to the gloss black. OEM finish as well. This is the brand new 3M Super Gloss series. So this is gonna basically give you like almost a pink-like finish. 2080 series, the super gloss black. Not regular, it's super gloss. Jams, everything's gonna be done, PPF. It's gonna look super dope. And yeah, I'm pretty excited to work on this car.
Do you know?
Do you know the Muffin Man?
The Muffin Man?
The Muffin Man.
That this grill is very, very expensive on this?
Yeah, it's like 9 grand, 10 grand, something like that.
It's about 10 grand just for the grill. Everything's like custom CNC cut, handmade, bolted together the same way that he's putting it together. I would assume that somebody at Rolls Royce is putting this grill together exactly how we are and how we took it apart. It's a bezel and then it has these strakes in it, and they're all individual pieces. So when we do this project, what we do is we fully remove everything, we break it all into its own individual piece. We'll have it powder coated and put back together. It's the best way to do this. You know, there's people that I've seen, believe it or not, I've seen people spray paint them. Terrible for any car, especially a Rolls Royce. I've also seen people try to wrap them, which is possible, but you never get the best quality look. And one of the things that we do here at Premium is we'll always go through every possible scenario with the client. Here's how we can do it. Here's what it's gonna cost. Here's what it's gonna take. This is the right way, but it's the most expensive way. So we did remove the $9,000, $10,000 grill from the vehicle. We did take it apart into probably 30 different pieces.
24 fins.
24 fins and then the grill. So close to 30 pieces that this is broken down into. And another thing that we do is when we take them apart, we keep reference to exactly where this straight came from and this straight came from, so they go back exactly how they were. I don't know if it's necessary, but we do that because Rolls Royces are meticulously crafted vehicles, and we want to maintain that standard when we're here working on your car. So that was done here. Powder coated grill. That's a lot to say about a grill, but it's an expensive project. You got a Rolls Royce, you're gonna get a grill done, you're gonna do it like this, you're gonna spend good money. All right, guys, Rolls Royce Spectre, is it Spectre or Spectre? It's right behind me. It's probably the best looking, most expensive electric vehicle in the world, I think. I don't know, don't quote me, I may be wrong, but the thing's amazing, I will say that. The car came in painted white. Customer did not want white, so he said, I want this car to look like it's black, Daniel, and I want it to look perfect. So that's what we did. We've had the car for about a month. I want to be clear with that. Took some time to do what we did here. But in addition to the gloss black PPF throughout the entire vehicle, we also powder coated and painted all the trims. So the grill is fully powder coated. The window trims were paint matched to the PPF film. The door handles were powder coated. All of these small emblems were painted gloss black. Door jambs all the way through. This car, you can't tell that it's a white car. It looks like a gloss black paint job. So when I say that we did the jambs, we did the jambs. So let me just be real with you guys. I'll show you guys. We did everything. Bottom of the hood, all gloss black. Trunk, same thing. I'll show you guys. You cannot tell this is a white car. All up here, all in here. And what you have here is a client that knew exactly what he wanted, and that was a black car. They didn't have a black one available at the dealership, so he brought it to me to make that happen. But not only did the client want a black Rolls Royce Spectre, he wanted it to look like paint. So he was very clear, like, you have to go with the top-notch films, you gotta make it look perfect. I want it to look like a black painted car. That's what you got here. The guys killed it, looks amazing. Gloss black PPF, it's an evolving market, and it looks like paint. Like, look at the reflection, like you can see me perfectly. It's like a mirror. Vinyl cannot do this. So I've been wrapping cars for years, and there's nothing on the market that's comparable to this. I mean, look, it's like looking in a mirror. I could brush my teeth and brush my hair right here if I wanted to. But shit, bro.
What are you doing, bro? What's going on here?
I'm holding this because it seems too lazy to do it.
He hates me. He's like, you should. That's it, guys. Get to the cinematics.